Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this REALME. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. After that, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, like Play Store. You can enable them the same way. If you want to, you can always click on Reset and tap on one of those filters, like Frequency. You can also just click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!